Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you. This K&F Concept tray camera. It's a 4K 48 megapixel game camera. Oh yeah, and the game is outdoor. If you like to shoot a good picture of an animal outdoor, you will need a tray camera. And K&F Concept gives us a 120-degree wide-angle hunting camera system with no-glow infrared LEDs, night vision, motion-activated IP66 waterproof, 0.2 seconds trigger, and 2.4 inches LCD screen for wildlife monitoring device in dark green. Really cool. We have here an ultra-sharp HD 4K audio and video. That means you can make videos with sound and 4K resolution. And you can make images with up to 48 megapixels. This tray camera allows us to get up close and personal with wildlife, capturing more detail with crisp, high-quality photos and videos. It's perfect for backcountry adventure and security purposes. And clear no glow night vision shooting is possible. This hunting camera is equipped with a 940nm non-illuminated infrared LEDs that can capture clear black and white night images with 98 feet. This is ideal for wildlife observation, surveillance, and of course for security, where no Wi-Fi is nearby and no power supply is. This camera system here is the first choice. We have a 0.2 second fast trigger time. This hunting camera can take pictures within 0.2 seconds of detecting motion, and we can get and set 4 shooting times from 1 up to 3, 10 to capture moving target quickly. Perfect for hunting and wildlife photography. And we have a 120 degrees wide angle lens. This wildlife camera with a broad field of view which can monitor and shoot a wide range of fauna. The camouflage appearance design can make the camera better be hidden in the forest. This is ideal for wildlife tracking and observation. And it's really easy to install and to operate, as you can see. Using the new adjustable bracket, this is easier to fix than traditional brackets out there. But I prefer a tripod. I think a tripod is the best thing because it makes you independent. You does not need any pipe. You does not need any wood or something else. But here included, of course, is an adjustable bracket. This fits more and better as a traditional brackets. And it's IP66 waterproof. We have a long battery life and withstands harsh weather and outdoor environments. This is really ideal for extended outdoor shootings. This means we have here a K&F Concept 48 megapixel 4K tray camera. This is a nice game-changing camera with no glow in night vision. It comes for 4K video, 48 megapixel images, 940 nm no glow night vision, and 0.2 seconds trigger speed. We should format the memory card in the camera when using it first time, and we remove the protective foil from the camera lens. We enter normal camera function, of course. For example, here the camera with a 48 megapixel 4K resolution for super sharp pictures and outstanding audio video recording. We have a 120 degrees wide angle lens. That's a really big fact, and it's really nice. We have a no-glow infrared LED. This triggers nearly all animals out there. And 4K 48 megapixel resolution allows us for more details to be seen. And of course, IP66 waterproof protection, barrier-free for outdoor use, baby. That's a really cool thing. And we have an adjusted in angle. The camera bracket can easily do this. This making the placement of the camera more flexible. For example, we can go 45 degrees in rotation if we need it. And we take up to 10 consecutive photos and record 10 minutes of video when triggered the recorded wonderful moments. We have selectable working mode, the photo, and video, if we like this. And we have 48 megapixel ultra picture, continuous recording day and night. This brings us the hunting camera, which capture all the 45 degrees adjustable angle. The adjustable angle bracket allows us to adjust the viewing angle according to actual use, and it's really good for hunting, for farming, for wildlife surveillance, and so on. The photo resolution is 48 megapixel, video resolution is 4K with 10 frames. The format is JPEG or AVI. The objective is an aperture 4mm, FNO 2.0, and FOV is 90 degrees. The PIR detective angle is 120 degrees. The detection distance 80 feet, this is 24 meter in daytime, 65 feet, 20 meter in night. We have 34 infrared lamps, 940 nm no glow effect infrared LEDs. The trigger time is 0.2 seconds, the dustproof and waterproof grade is IP66, and the memory card, which you can install, is up to 112 GB SD card, class 10 or above. And of course, you can use an adapter included in micro SD card, up to 512 GB. We have the working temperature from minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 160. And K&F Concept is a leading provider of camera, photo, and video solutions. They offer filters, tray cameras, tripods, backpacks, adapters, and more, all made to high standards. They're an award-winning product, 150 plus patents, best-selling in 56 countries, and over 1,200 plus online and offline retailers. Amazon bestsellers and the choice of over 10 million customers. And they will keep going on with new products like this. Really cool tray camera 4K and 48 megapixel. It's the nice looking device with a K&F Concept 120 degrees wide angle hunting cam with no glow infrared LEDs, night vision, and motion activation. IP66 waterproof and 0.2 trigger with a 2.4 inches LCD screen for wildlife monitoring in dark green. Of course, it's also available in khaki if you like. The SD card is included, 64 GB, and 8 batteries are included too, to begin with the hunt. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.